Okay, now we're dealing with the longer putt, and I'll step back behind so you can see the hole. You can see the hole there to the left of the flag laying on the ground. But this is a longer putt, so you know, as far as a mental cue, this is where the outcome focus, or thinking more about the line of the putt and the speed of the putt, would help you. Would help the golfer, you know, to mentally take the pressure off, because if you're thinking about too many things, that's when the golf swing gets paralyzed and everything. And everybody knows that there's at least 982 voices going on inside of a golfer's head. So let's see you hit some of the longer putts, Thomas. All right, that's a good roll. I don't know if you can. There's a definite difference in the smoothness of the stroke when you think about for longer putts, when you just think about the line and the speed. Because again, if you get too locked down in the grip and everything moving together and watching the ball, sometimes you get paralyzed. You see, and when you're just thinking about the line and speed of the putt, that's what happens. You roll that putt in. So, and I think Thomas, would you agree that that as a putt gets longer, it's a little, you know, you need to feel a little bit more smoothness?
Absolutely. I think that, you know, on the longer putts, like you said, focusing more on your line and the speed than the technicality of your stroke is really beneficial, because worst case scenario, you're trying to give yourself a tap in. So
yeah,
you know, we don't want to leave ourselves that 5 or 6 footer coming back, or even maybe more than that. Because par is a good score. A 2-putt is great. So you can't try to get too aggressive with everything and try to make everything. I just want to get it in the hole as in few shots as possible.
Yeah.
So really smoothing out that stroke and focusing on the pace, and just picking your line is I think the best way to go for a long putt.
Okay, excellent. And you know, again, it helps me, and you know, again, with Thomas being an elite player, and it helps all elite players in this case to focus away from the nervousness of the situation, because we all know, we've all been in situations where we're going to get nervous on the golf course, and where you just concentrate on your routine and concentrate on you know, concentrate on the things that you have control over. Sometimes you get overwhelmed, and in this situation you would and it's almost like visualizing a shot on the golf course, visualizing an approach shot to a green. It helps you calm down as part of your pre-shot routine to visualize the shot going like you want it and landing on the green, and it's the same with the putting. You visualize the line and the speed, and then you execute that, and it goes in the hole. So very good stroke, and some very good takeaways mentally for putting here.